Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this big, beautiful, chunky lock is a Kasp 19070, and I picked the closed shackle version of this, the 19070X, I can't remember, a while ago, and it's just a beautiful lock, very heavy, but absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's got a, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, only a 5-pin core in here, I think. Operates very smoothly. It's just a really, really, really nice lock. Look how thick and chunky that shackle is. Really nice. I think it's like 12 or 13 millimeters. Really chunky ball bearing locking mechanism. Just a great lock. And I think it's guttable, so if we can pick it, we'll be able to gut it and have a look on the inside. Back in a sec. So we are in the vise, and here is the key, and just look at how deep the bitting is on this for pins 5, 6, 5 and 4. Then you've got 0 cuts in 3 and 2, and then I think I said it was a 5-pin lock originally, which is not in this pin 1 here, which is again very high. So it could be a tricky little pick, this one. All seems to be working very smoothly. We'll go top of the keyway tension to begin with, and we'll just go in with a short hook at the front and see what we can get. So pin 1, binding very heavily into a bit of a full set. Pin 2 here. That feels good. Nothing on 3. Okay. I might try to get onto pin 4 with a medium hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit of counter rotation there. Now, I don't know if I've got that picked all the way, and did I drop pin 1 doing it? Let's try pin 1 again. Feels okay now, so let's just test that pin 4 again with a medium hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 could be okay now. I've got a deeper hook, so I'm just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1's dropped. 2, 3. That's at 5, 6. Okay, 1's dropped, so we're going to pick 1 again. 1. Okay, 2, 3. 4 feels okay, into a full set. 5 and 6, so 5 now. That felt good, but I'm sure I must have dropped a pin somewhere else. 6 is binding. Oh, 6 I've got. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just test 1. Feels good. Okay, so back to the back. 6 is binding a little bit. Counter rotation on 6, and we have an open. There we go. So a bit tricky to navigate those pins because of that quite extreme bitting, but we have the open, as you can see, and it does mean that we can open this up. So get that screw out. Oh, big long screw. Dump the front of the lock out. Look how chunky that is. Wow, that's a beast. And then we've got the core. I'll leave all the guts sort of on the inside, and I will lock this back up because I've got the key. It means I can use my gut wrench and hopefully just pop that off. Effective tool. And I will get a follower, and I think this is a standard size follower. I wonder if I can use my use this torch so we can see our way through. Little hack there. So where's the key? Here's the key. Pop that. Oh, push it too far in. That's why it didn't work, because it's obviously got this big chunky faceplate to deal with. I will grab a shim because why not? There's all sorts of things which probably don't want to get caught up. Then we should be able to, yep, hold it in my other hand, slide this out, and there's the torch, so we can see what we're doing when we gut it. Yeah, let's just tip these out quickly. One, oh, that's 1 and 6 because reasons. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's all that done. And then, where's my tweezers? Over here, of course. And then we'll just go from here. We can actually see our way down there. Look at that. See? Oh, so that's a crunchy little barrel spoolie thing. And going along here, we have a much better spool. Well, not better, just a actual spool which gives counter rotation. And then what else do we have? We have going on here. Can you see inside the keyway? So the advantage of using all these little torches. Another spool. Oh, so much has just flown past me. Another spool. They really like spool, don't they? Spools, Kasp blocks, which actually makes them a really fun pick, I'm not going to lie. Then we have, would you believe it, another spool. And then finally, oh, would you guess? Yep, another spool. So let me just take that out, put that there, take the shim out, turn my torch off, bring this up to the camera, and hopefully you can see all of these pins. So we have one of these little serrated pin type spool things. We have spool. So it's like standard pin, but with serrations. Then spool. Then all the key pins are standard key pins as well. So there you go. That is a lovely Kasp 19070 with a particularly good bitting on this one. I have to say, some are less extreme than that. Thank you to my friend Yuko for lending this to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. If you did like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. It really helps my channel out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. Other than that, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.